Hello, my name's John Coffey, and I am the Unpaved Explorer. Today is Saturday, June 22nd at 6:40 p.m. Came here to give a shot to try to catch some fish at the Wellington Upland Reservoir. I came here last weekend, scouted it out. I came here last night with two friends and was only here for a few hours. I got skunked and got 0, but the other two, the one got about 10 and the other one got about 8. They caught bullheads and channel catfish and one perch. Let me see what I could do today. Last night I was basically trying to get catfish. Today I'm just going to toss around some soft plastics for a few hours. I may throw in the catfish pole. I brought it just in case. Alright, let me get going here and I'll give you an update. Thank you and talk to you shortly. The weather is beautiful today. A slight breeze, about 74 degrees. People out on the lake, people fishing. Sun, can't ask for a better evening. Sun's out. A few clouds. Let me get my pole in the water. Talk to you shortly. Hello, my name's John Coffey and I am the Unpaved Explorer. This is my second fishing outing here at Wellington Upper. Went fishing yesterday, I got skunked, laid an egg. Went fishing today, got skunked, laid another egg. But both days, everybody around me was catching channel cats, bullheads, perch. So, what does that tell you? Maybe the Unpaved Explorer needs to get schooled on how to fish. Alright, you guys, have a good one, and take care. Bye-bye.